Here I have GIONEE P7 Max. Let me show you how to accomplish here entering the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Let's release both keys as soon as GIONEE logo pops up on the screen. And this is Android System Recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose Reboot to bootloader and press power key to confirm it. Wait a few seconds. And the Fastboot mode pops up, so now you can use your device in a Fastboot mode, or if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key for a few seconds. Keep holding power button and release power as soon as Fastboot mode disappears. Now the device is restarting and rebooting. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.